Hey man, Matt Artisan here, and as one of the top dating coaches in the world for over 15 years, one of the most common questions I get is what is the ultimate best first text that practically guarantees she's gonna reply back? Because most guys send really lame first texts like, hey, so nice meeting you earlier, let's hang out sometime soon. It's really bad. So I'm gonna give you what I think is the ultimate best first text ever when you first meet a girl, and it gets about an 82% reply back rate, which is really, really good. Nothing else I've ever found works better than that. If you found something that works even better than this text that I'm about to give you, put it down in the comments. I do read the comments, and I would love to hear what it is. Are you ready for what I think is the best ultimate first text when you meet a girl? By the way, you have to meet her in person. This text that I'm gonna give you right now doesn't work if you meet her online. I'm sorry, I know a lot of you guys are too afraid to meet girls in person. What the fuck? Why are you just relying on online dating? Nothing wrong with online dating. I do online dating too. But if that's all you're relying on, I hate to say it, you're kind of a fucking pussy. Be a man, meet women in person. Yeah, swipe, send out some copy and paste text messages. I'll make another video because I have some really good content and strategies for meeting women online as well. I'll create another video about that, don't worry. But you need to be meeting women in person because there's no competition, especially during the day. Bars and clubs, yeah, you're competing against other guys in that bar or club. But in the daytime, there's virtually zero competition. Online is where all the competition is. That's the hardest place to meet women. Go where there's no competition, meet them in person. And when you do, after you get her phone number or Instagram, social media works as well, this is what you're gonna do to send, again, what I think is the best text of all time. Okay, you ready? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna say, do you have a phone? She's gonna say yes. Say, cool, let me see it. I'm gonna give you my number, which is really great because if she's kind of on the fence, she's still not sure about you yet, she's kind of dating somebody else, she doesn't know if she wants to give out her number to you, you're not asking her for her number. You're telling her you're gonna give her your number, so she's gonna think, oh yeah, I can decide later if I wanna actually put in the effort to text him, so she's gonna say yes to that almost every time. So you're gonna get a lot more phone numbers as well. That's the side benefit of doing this technique, okay? So you're gonna say, let me see your phone, and then you're gonna open up her SMS app, or if you prefer WhatsApp or social media, just open up whatever app you prefer to chat with girls. And if you can't find it, ask her to help you find it. Just say, okay, where's your WhatsApp? Okay, here. And then you're gonna send yourself a message from her phone. That way, you also have her number, and the message that you're gonna send yourself from her phone is gonna crack her up. Because you're gonna send, hey, you're so hot, signed her name. This will also help you remember her name. Hopefully at this point of the interaction, after you've been talking to her for a couple minutes, you'll remember her name. That's really important, okay? Always remember her name. The key for that, by the way, is say her name a few times in the interaction, like 2, 3, even 4 or 5 times. It's okay to repeat her name a few times. Don't overdo it, like 20 times, it'd be weird. At every sentence you say her name, but repeat it a few times so you remember it, and then you send a text from her phone to you, hey, you're so hot, signed her name. Okay, then close the app. You don't want her to see that text. Okay, close the app and give her phone back. Okay, then maybe talk a little bit more, talk about how you guys are gonna hang out soon and set up plans. And then after you leave, I recommend about 30 minutes at the earliest, up to 2 or 3 hours later. You're gonna send her a text, because remember, it looks now like she sent you a text, hey, you're so hot. So you're just gonna reply back, gee, thanks, you're not too bad yourself. With either an LOL or like the tongue sticking out emoji is great. Don't use the winky emoji, by the way. Some girls think that's very creepy. It's kind of funny that girls would think an emoji is creepy, but they do. They feel like it's like a guy winking at them like, hey baby, yeah, you wanna fuck? Come on, let's go. They do, they think that, it's crazy. So literally never use the winky emoji. But what's gonna happen, she's gonna see that text, and now she's gonna see that she sent you a text, hey, you're so hot, and that you replied to her text, again, her text, it was you that sent it, but you're gonna reply to that, gee, thanks, you're not too bad yourself, LOL. That is going to crack her up. She's probably gonna reply with something like, that's the funniest thing a guy has ever texted me, or that made me crack up. This way, you're starting the texting interaction on a high note. You're making her laugh, you're giving her good emotions. You're not doing what everybody else does, which is be completely boring and try to set up a date on the very first text that you send her, which makes her not even reply to it. She's thinking, oh, this guy seems boring. He already wants to go on a date with me. I'm just not gonna even reply. Unless she thinks you're really, really attractive, you had a great first impression, yeah, then almost anything will work. But if she's still on the fence and you send her something like I just told you, she's highly likely to reply back and much more likely to go on a date with you. And from there, I literally just figure out logistics. When is she free? When am I free? Where does she live? Where are we gonna meet? And just set up a date. That's pretty much it. And I'm not texting her all day long, trying to build a connection and get to know her through text. Fuck that shit. I'm busy. You're busy. Live your life. And just use texting to set up dates. That's it. But don't try to set up a date in the first text. Bad idea. Doesn't work. Instead, use this text and watch how many girls reply you back. Trust me, it works really well. Try it out. Let me know in the comments that you tried it out. Let me know how many girls replied. And of course, first, you need to have numbers to text. You need to meet girls. If you need help with that, then either DM me on Instagram, Matt Artisan, or click the link in the description to book a free consultation, and we'll see if our coaching program is a good fit for you. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video.